Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Mastodon Social App in your Android phone. Okay, so it is one kind of social apps. It's similar to Twitter. So if you want to use this, so you can easily do this. So how can you download? You need to go a Play Store, or if you are a app iPhone user, then you can download it on App Store. So go to Play Store and search here Mastodon. Sorry, Mastodon. Click here, and then you can see the option some review about this app. So 4.7 ratings and 2000 people reviewed so far, and the size of this app is so small, 1.6 MB, and 500,000 people downloaded this app. So decentralized social network. So if you want to check this picture, then you can say its interface, it's like Twitter or other social apps. So it is easy to use, so you can use this. Okay, and click install, and it takes a very short time to install on a device. Okay, and then you can create your account. I will upload more videos how to use Mastodon, so please make sure consider to subscribe my channel. And today is no more, friend. Thank you for watching this tutorial.